Descript versus Pika Labs, two game-changing video tools. One big question, which one really delivers? On the left, Descript, edit video as easily as text. And on the right, Pika Labs, next-gen AI video creation from prompts. Let's skip the hype and buzzwords and jump into what really matters. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you.
All right, let's map this out real quick. The categories we're going to compare are core functionality, pricing, creative power, editing depth, and usability. Each one's got its own flavor, and honestly, these tools kind of come from opposite ends. So let's see how they do. Okay, first up, core functionality. Descript. This one's all about taking your video or audio and seriously, editing it just by changing the text transcript. AI does the transcription, and you can even overdub your voice, which is wild. But if you're hoping to generate an entire video from an idea or an image, yeah, Descript isn't really built for that. Now, Pika Labs is like the opposite. With Pika, you toss in a text prompt or an image, and boom, it'll generate a whole video for you. You can play around with animation styles and customize things. But you're not editing existing footage here. It's mostly about quick, original clips, usually short form. Both are super strong in their lanes, just kinda different lanes, you know? So, core functionality, honestly, it's a tie. Each does its main thing really, really well. Next up, pricing. Descript does have a free tier, which is sweet, but there's a watermark and the whole AI thing is a bit limited unless you pony up some cash. Their paid plans are pretty flexible though, whether you're solo or working with a team. On the other hand, Pika Labs has, surprisingly beginner-friendly pricing, almost designed for you to get in and start playing without getting sticker shock. It's affordable for those quick, creative tasks, but fair warning, anything advanced, like long videos or extra features, might cost you more. Overall, if you're watching your wallet or just want to experiment, Pika Labs probably edges out Descript here. Now, let's chat creative power. This is where things get spicy. Descript is fantastic if your idea of creativity is podcasting, screen recording, or narrative editing. Their AI overdub is like magic for voices. But if you want original visuals or animation, not going to happen. Pika Labs, though, oh, and here's something cool. It can literally turn a prompt or photo into an animated video. You've got motion control, style tweaks, and you can generate content that's, well, surprisingly unique. Is it always perfect? Not so much. Sometimes the results need a bit of prompt engineering magic, and they might not look 100% real. But still, for creative power, Pika Labs just totally runs away with it. Oh, wait, quick tidbit. Did you know Pika Labs can turn a single static photo into a multi-second AI animated video, like in seconds? That's kind of nuts, honestly. All right, editing depth. This is where Descript flexes hard. You edit by fixing up the transcript. Cut out your ums, rearrange whole sections. It almost feels too easy. Mistakes? Gone in a click. It's made for those bigger, long-form projects or collabs, really. Now, with Pika Labs, editing is more like creation. Make a video, tweak the prompt, maybe adjust style, but you can't actually go in and re-edit footage, do multi-clip stuff, or refine the narrative. So if you want real editing chops, Descript takes the win here. No contest. Last, usability. So Descript is super intuitive if you think in text or audio. Total beginner friendly, not much of a learning curve, unless you get into the timeline stuff. And shame there's no full-on mobile app yet, maybe 2025? Pika Labs. It's all about simple. Type a prompt, get a video. It's fast, no hoops. Downsides? You're kind of limited to short clips, and to really nail the best results, a bit of prompt finesse helps. So in terms of usability, honestly, they're both pretty easy to get started with. It's a tie for me. Here's a radar chart that gives you a quick visual of how Descript and Pika Labs stack up across all those categories. You'll notice a few spikes where each really shines. Let's break it down. One's epic for editing, the other's a creative powerhouse. So to wrap up, Descript absolutely dominates when it comes to editing podcasts, long videos, anything where you want to just hack away at the transcript instead of mess with timelines. But if you want to create something totally original, like animation out of prompts or pics, Pika Labs is the go-to. For 2025, I'd honestly say it depends how you want to work. Was this helpful? Go ahead, save it, or pass it on to that creative friend who can't decide which way to go. And hey, why not try both? You might just find your own perfect combo.